What's up, guys? We're gonna do some skids in this here E30. Normally we just post like a bunch of videos, but we're gonna try to do this vlog thing, I guess. So we'll post some videos of some skids from outside the car here in a little bit. Good. Go that way. Ah! M20 noises.
What the hell did Sam do? Bring us a jack?
Yeah, he's probably gonna bring us a jack. So the e-brake just locked up on us. It's just stuck, so we can't roll the car anywhere. We don't have a jack or anything, but we're gonna get some homies with a jack, and we're bringing the tow dolly too. So this is fun. It'd be cool if we could push it out of the road, but we can't because the e-brake's locked up. We've already tried like lifting up the back of it, and that didn't work, obviously. So we'll see how this goes. All right, update. We've tried to put it in reverse, and it just backed up without being stuck, and now it's fine. So we're gonna get home.